Hare Krishna everyone. Welcome back to our channel Krishna's Cuisine. Since it's the rainy season, what could be better than a hot bowl of soup? Soups are just perfect for this weather. And today I am going to share with you a super tasty recipe, creamy sweet corn soup for Lord Krishna. And in this soup we are not going to use any corn flour or any thickening agent. Still, it comes out super creamy and absolutely delicious. So let's get started. So here I have taken 2 sweet corns, washed them really well and transfer this into a cooker. Add half teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Add 3 cups of water. Cover the lid and cook it for 3 whistles on medium flame. After half an hour, the cooker has cooled. The sweet corns have boiled well. Take them out in a plate. Now we will separate the corn kernels. This is a super easy method to take out the corn. And the best part is this gets done in no time at all. We have shared many sweet corn recipes and you can find all in Sweet Corn Recipes playlist, whose link has been shared in the description box below. All the corn is ready now. From this I am going to set aside about half a cup of kernels, which we will add later in the soup. The remaining corns, transfer this into a mixie jar. Add 2 green chillies and grind it into a nice smooth paste. So this is done. Add 1/4 cup of water. Grind it again. With this, our smooth paste is ready. This paste is the secret to making our soup naturally creamy without using any corn flour or thickening agent. Add all the paste into a mud pot. Now add around 4.5 cups of water. Mix everything well without any lumps. Now this goes straight on the stove. Add salt as per requirement. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix it. Cook it for 5 minutes on medium flame. After 5 minutes, add half teaspoon of chaat masala. Half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Now it's time to add those sweet corn kernels that we had kept aside. Now give everything a good mix and let the soup come to a nice boil on medium flame. This helps all the flavors blend beautifully together. It has been about 6 minutes now and our soup has come to a nice boil. Add 1.5 tablespoon of lemon juice and some chopped coriander leaves. Give everything a final mix and let it boil for just 1 more minute. And with this, our creamy sweet corn soup is absolutely ready. Turn off the flame. Serve it hot. Let's place a tulsi leaf and offer it to Lord Jagannath. If you like all these prasadam recipes, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any prasad recipe. Always chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare and be happy.